Hey everyone, this is Justin Woodall. This is my Unit 6 discussion, and we were told to choose 5 words that described us as a person, and then for each of those words to choose a typeface that would go with it. So, the first word I chose was spontaneous, and I chose that in the Hawthorne script typeface. Um, Yeah. So spontaneous, which is a result of a sudden inner impulse or without premeditation. I've always been a spontaneous person. The color that I chose it just reminds me of like going to the beach. And I'm all about just making a last minute quick trip to the beach during the summertime. So that's just me. So that's that. The next word I chose is tranquil. And the typeface I chose for it was the Apple Chancery. Um, I chose that because you see like a lot of spas and stuff that you go to calm your nerves, to just relax. They usually have a font somewhat similar to this, so that's why I went with that. And of course, tranquil. It's free from disturbance and calm. The next one I chose was spunky, and I put that in the Bradley Hand bold typeface. It's courageous and determined. I'm a very determined person. I, as far as whenever it comes to work and school and just goals, period, for me, I'm determined to complete them. Um, I am courageous in a way. Just if it comes to snakes or something like that, not happening. Snakes and heights, not courageous for that. Everything else, sure. But I chose the yellow because it's very just happy and go lucky. Spunky, you like to think of like all over the place and just bubbly type of people, or I do anyway. And I am. Um, Also, what made me choose the Bradley Hand typeface was it. Y'all are gonna laugh at this, but just the names, the word spunky to me always sounded like a place you would go out to, like a bar or something. So I chose this typeface because if I had a bar called Spunky's, this is what I would put it in. It just goes with it for me, anyways. All right. The next is charismatic. I put that in the Canella typeface. It's very charismatic when you think about it. It's got a charming sound to it, I guess. And then I chose the Canella typeface because it's got that charming, sophisticated, somewhat business look, and I feel it really fit this word. And then the definition for charismatic is exercising a compelling charm which inspires devotion in others. And the last word that I chose is vibrant, and I used the marker felt typeface. And vibrant, of course, is full of energy and enthusiasm. I chose the marker felt because you think of vibrant, and our minds usually immediately go to colors, like a vibrant color, which is why I went with the red. Um, the this marker felt typeface, it's very, I don't know, it's just like I said, whenever you go to colors, or when you say vibrant, you think of colors. So I always think of like school supplies, and getting markers was my favorite thing as a kid. So this marker felt typeface, I feel fits this word. And that is it for my discussion. I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see everybody else's. Thank you.